Today, Huawei launched its new foldable flagship smartphone, Huawei Mate X3, which is the thinnest and the lightest foldable phone on the planet. This foldable proves Huawei's in-depth innovation in the foldable smartphone segment and provides the best user experience. Huawei Mate X3 is no ordinary device. Despite cutting weight, this foldable phone has various secret and powerful features. Therefore, the 2 years halt since Huawei Mate X2 are worth waiting. And we just love how the company crafted the Mate X3 for the consumers. Huawei Mate X3 has an innovative material application and an ultra-light body structure, making the whole device as light as 239 grams. It makes the phone the highest and the thinnest ever foldable phone. The new double rotation water drop hinge and ultra-thin Type-C device are thinner than ever. The thickness of the body in the unfolded state is as thin as 5.3 millimeters, bringing a new experience of folding screen thin and light. Huawei Mate X3 launched with a reliable Kunlun glass cover screen and ultra-impact resistant flexible screen inside the fold. Both of these screens are thin, light, and reliable inside and outside. The design supports IPX8 water resistance and can be folded freely to help you not be afraid of wind and rain. The phone also has new wet hand touch features, so it can understand touch sensitivity on the screen. Huawei Mate X3 camera design resembles the soul of Mate series devices and has a unique round ring with a shiny finish. The camera picks up an ROIB periscope and a main camera with a bright sensor. It has an ultra-sensing X-Mage imaging system that allows capturing real image color, perceives light and shade, and presents wonderful light and shadow details. Want to take selfies? The camera detects can capture high-quality selfies and provides all of the details of portraits. This foldable is designed with a new style and comes with the industry's first feather sand glass technology, bringing 3 colors: feather sand black, feather sand white, and feather sand purple. These are crystal bright and fingerprint proof. There are also 2 beautiful plain leather versions, Chengxi Gold and Qingshan Dye. These colors and variants are elegant and classic, proving you with multiple color options to achieve the beauty of this foldable phone. Huawei Mate X3 is the world's first foldable phone to come with satellite communication technology. Not only that, the phone has second-generation satellite SMS with two-way communication. To provide a new user experience, the phone brings a new antenna, network, and algorithm triple technology. This upgrades the signal to enable communication without a mobile signal. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.